As the sun sank below the horizon, casting long shadows across the dense foliage of the Daniel Boone National Forest, a sense of unease settled upon the small group of campers. They had set up their tents near a tranquil stream nestled deep within the heart of the forest. Little did they know that this night would forever etch a chilling memory in their minds. The crackling fire provided a flickering light that danced upon their faces, casting eerie shadows on the surrounding trees. Laughter and conversation filled the air, mingling with the rustling leaves and the distant calls of nocturnal creatures. They had come to embrace the serenity of nature, unaware of the secrets hidden within its depths. As the night wore on, the atmosphere grew heavy, as if an unseen presence lurked just beyond the campsite. Uneasy glances were exchanged, and whispers of unease circulated among the group, but they dismissed their apprehension as mere figments of an overactive imagination. It was around midnight when the first strange sound pierced the stillness of the forest. A low, guttural growl echoed through the trees, sending shivers down their spines. The campers exchanged alarmed glances, their eyes wide with fear. They listened intently, hoping it was just a passing animal, but the growl grew louder and more menacing. Suddenly, a powerful stench permeated the air, assaulting their senses with its foulness. It was a pungent combination of wet fur, decaying matter, and something else, something primal and unsettling. The campers covered their noses and mouths, desperately trying to ward off the nauseating odor. As they scanned the surrounding darkness, their eyes were drawn to a figure emerging from the tree line. It stood tall, towering over the trees, its massive silhouette outlined against the moonlit sky. Covered in matted dark fur, the creature moved with a grace that belied its enormous size. A chorus of gasps and whispered prayers filled the air as the campers locked eyes with the creature. Its piercing red eyes glowed with an unearthly intensity, a flicker of intelligence behind their fiery glaze. The creature's features were both human-like and primal, with muscular arms that swung with a hypnotic rhythm as it approached. Fear gripped their hearts, freezing them in place as the creature drew nearer. The campers could hear its heavy, deliberate footsteps, each one shaking the ground beneath them. Their minds raced with questions and doubts, grappling with the surreal sight unfolding before them. Then, with a sudden burst of speed, the creature lunged toward the campsite, its roar echoing through the night. Panic erupted as the campers scattered, desperately seeking refuge from the advancing creature. The once cozy campsite transformed into a chaotic scene of overturned tents, scattered belongings, and frightened cries. As the night wore on, the creature eventually receded into the darkness, leaving the campsite in disarray and the campers shaken to their core. They huddled together, finding solace in each other's presence, seeking comfort in the light of the rising sun. In the days that followed, the campers shared their harrowing experience with local authorities and researchers. They hoped to shed light on the mysterious beings that lurked within the forest's depths, but their encounter would forever remain an indelible mark on their lives. This story delves into the intriguing realm of Bigfoot sightings in the forests of Kentucky. Through an in-depth examination of witness accounts, expert analysis, and documented evidence, we aim to shed light on the existence of this elusive creature in the state. By exploring historical encounters, recent sightings, and the impact on local communities, we aim to unravel the mysteries surrounding Bigfoot and contribute to the ongoing discourse on cryptids and their presence in the Kentucky wilderness. Kentucky's lush and sprawling forests have long been regarded as a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Spanning over millions of acres, these wooded landscapes are home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, creating a thriving ecosystem. However, amidst the natural beauty and tranquility, whispers of a mysterious creature echo through the trees, the legendary Bigfoot. The legend of Bigfoot, also known as Sasquatch, has transcended geographical boundaries and permeated cultures across the globe. Described as a towering ape-like creature, Bigfoot is believed to roam remote and densely forested regions, leaving behind vague evidence of its existence. Tales of encounters with Bigfoot have fascinated and captivated peoples for centuries, becoming an integral part of folklore and oral traditions. Native American tribes in Kentucky have long shared stories and legends of tall, hairy beings inhabiting the forests. These creatures, known by various names, such as Jawa or Stone Man, hold a significant place in tribal folklore, often depicted as guardians or spiritual entities. The rich cultural tapestry of Native American folklore provides valuable insight into the long-standing belief in Bigfoot-like creatures within the region. As pioneers and early settlers ventured into Kentucky's untamed wilderness, they brought with them stories of encounters with wild men and hairy giants. These encounters, often dismissed as mere exaggerations or tall tales, have persisted through generations, contributing to the enduring belief in the existence of Bigfoot-like creatures in the area. Archival evidence such as newspaper clippings and written accounts provides a glimpse into historical encounters with Bigfoot in Kentucky. Reports dating back to the 19th and 20th centuries detail sightings, strange footprints, and encounters with a large hairy creature resembling Bigfoot. While skeptics may question the credibility of these accounts, they add an intriguing layer to the ongoing investigation of Bigfoot in the state. In Harlan County, Kentucky, a group of hikers claimed to have encountered a towering creature while exploring the dense forest. The witnesses described a massive bipedal creature covered in dark hair, emitting a pungent odor. Their detailed accounts, coupled with the discovery of enormous footprints, sparked local and regional interest in the possible presence of Bigfoot. The Red River Gorge, renowned for its stunning beauty and challenging hiking trails, has also been the site of reported Bigfoot sightings. Witnesses have described encounters with a creature matching the description of Bigfoot, observing its elusive behavior and distinct vocalizations echoing through the forest. These accounts have led researchers to further investigate the area and collect evidence. The Daniel Boone National Forest, encompassing a vast expanse of woodland, has also garnered attention in relation to Bigfoot sightings. Numerous hikers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts have reported glimpses of a large bipedal creature roaming the forested areas. Witness testimonies consistently describe a towering figure with broad shoulders covered in hair, exhibiting both human-like and animalistic characteristics. An analysis of witness testimonies reveal striking similarities and recurring patterns. Witnesses consistently describe a creature with a height ranging from 7 to 10 feet tall, covered in dark matted hair, and possessing a distinct musky odor. They often report feeling a sense of awe, fear, or a deep connection with the natural environment during their encounters. These shared characteristics among witness accounts lend credence to the possibility of an actual Bigfoot presence in Kentucky's forests. Cryptozoology, the study of hidden or unknown animals, has played a significant role in the investigation of Bigfoot. Numerous dedicated researchers and organizations have dedicated themselves to collecting evidence, conducting field investigations, and documenting encounters in Kentucky. Their efforts aim to bridge the gap between folklore and scientific inquiry, seeking tangible proof of Bigfoot's existence. Physical evidence such as footprints attributed to Bigfoot have been discovered in various regions of Kentucky's forests. Casts of these footprints display characteristics consistent with the known attributes of Bigfoot, including a distinctive mid-tarsal break and dermal ridges. Hair samples, purportedly belonging to Bigfoot, have also been collected, undergoing analysis to determine their origin and genetic composition. Furthermore, recordings of vocalizations resembling the vocal range of Bigfoot have been captured, further adding to the body of evidence. Despite the substantial witness accounts and physical evidence, skepticism remains prevalent in the study of Bigfoot. Skeptics argue that eyewitness testimony is often unreliable, subject to misidentification, hoaxes, or the influence of popular culture. They demand concrete scientific proof, such as DNA analysis of hair samples or the capture of actual Bigfoot specimen. Debunking efforts persist, challenging the veracity of photographic and video evidence and questioning the validity of alleged encounters. The presence of Bigfoot in Kentucky's forests had had profound impact on local communities. It has sparked interest from cryptozoology enthusiasts, adventurers, and tourists seeking to explore the enigmatic wilderness in search of a potential encounter. The tourism industry has capitalized on Bigfoot's allure, offering guided tours, merchandise, and events centered around the creature. Bigfoot has also become an integral part of the cultural identity and folklore of certain communities, fostering a sense of pride and intrigue. Within local communities, beliefs surrounding Bigfoot vary widely. Some individuals hold steadfastly to the notion of Bigfoot's existence, sharing stories passed down through generations. Others view Bigfoot as a cultural curiosity or a subject of entertainment. Community members may actively engage in discussions, investigations, or skeptical debates, shaping their perception of Bigfoot's presence in the forests. Media coverage plays a significant role in shaping public perception of Bigfoot. Local news outlets often report on sightings and investigations, prompting public discussions and debates. Television shows, documentaries, and online platforms dedicated to the exploration of the unexplained also contribute to the dissemination of information and speculation about Bigfoot. The media's portrayal of Bigfoot encounters can sway public opinion, leading to a diverse range of perspectives on the creature's existence and potential dangers it may pose. One prevailing hypothesis suggests that Bigfoot is a biological species yet to be officially discovered by science. Proponents of this theory argue the creature could be a relict hominid, a surviving branch of the human evolutionary tree. They point to the abundance of witness testimonies, physical evidence, and alleged vocalizations as indications of a real flesh and blood creature lurking in the forests of Kentucky. An alternative perspective posts that Bigfoot may exist in an interdimensional realm, traversing between our reality and another plane of existence. This theory suggests that the creature's ability to elude capture and disappear without a trace could be attributed to its interdimensional nature. Adherents to this viewpoint draw parallels with other paranormal phenomenon and propose that Bigfoot represents a manifestation of the unknown. Skeptics and psychologists explore the possibility that Bigfoot sightings could be attributed to psychological factors, including misidentification and perceptual biases. They argue that the human mind often seeks patterns and familiar shapes, leading individuals to interpret ambiguous stimuli as Bigfoot. Additionally, the power of suggestion, media influence, and cultural beliefs may contribute to the formation of false memories and exaggerated accounts of encounters. The existence of Bigfoot, if confirmed, would have significant implications for conservation efforts and wildlife management in Kentucky's forests. Protecting the habitat and ensuring the well-being of this potentially endangered species would become a priority. Conservationists and authorities would need to balance the preservation of the ecosystem with potential tourism and research opportunities arising from Bigfoot's presence. As interest in Bigfoot continues to grow, it is crucial to promote responsible exploration and ensure the safety of individuals venturing into Kentucky's forests. Educating hikers, campers, and researchers about wilderness safety, local regulations, and ethical conduct when encountering wildlife can help minimize risks and prevent disturbances to the environment. Advancements in technology offer new avenues for studying and investigating Bigfoot. High-resolution cameras, drones, thermal imaging, and DNA analysis techniques can provide enhanced tools for capturing evidence and analyzing potential traces of the creature. Continued research and collaboration between scientific communities, Bigfoot researchers, and local authorities can foster advancements in the field and further our understanding of this elusive cryptid. Throughout this story, we have explored the enigmatic presence of Bigfoot in the forests of Kentucky. From historical perspectives to recent sightings, witness testimonies, scientific investigations, and cultural impact, we have examined the multifaceted nature of Bigfoot's existence. While the evidence remains inconclusive, the accumulation of witness accounts, physical evidence, and cultural significance suggests that there is more to be explored and understood about Bigfoot in Kentucky's wilderness. The encounters and stories surrounding Bigfoot in Kentucky continue to captivate the imagination and fuel curiosity. As witness testimonies persist and scientific investigations advance, the enigma surrounding Bigfoot's presence in the state's forests remain unresolved. The tales of encounters, the unexplained footprints, and the shared experiences of individuals all contribute to a complex narrative that intertwines folklore, cultural beliefs, and the quest for scientific discovery. While skeptics may dismiss Bigfoot as a product of imagination or misidentification, it is essential to approach the subject with an open mind, acknowledging the rich tapestry of historical accounts and the genuine experiences of those who claim to have encountered this elusive creature. The cultural significance of Bigfoot in Kentucky cannot be denied, as it has become ingrained in local communities, shaping their identity and attracting visitors from far and wide. In the realm of wilderness exploration and outdoor activities, it is crucial to prioritize safety and responsible conduct, whether venturing into the forests of Kentucky in search of Bigfoot or simply enjoying the natural beauty and serenity. Visitors should be mindful of the potential risks and adhere to established guidelines. This includes respecting the environment, leaving no trace, and being prepared for encounters with native wildlife. Ultimately, the mystery of Bigfoot sightings in Kentucky forests remains a captivating subject, one that sparks curiosity, debate, and sense of wonder. It is an ongoing exploration of the unknown, drawing people together in their shared fascination with the unexplained. Whether Bigfoot is a biological species, an otherworldly entity, or a product of human perception, the legends and stories surrounding this cryptid continue to resonate, reminding us of the enduring mystery that lies within the depths of Kentucky's forests.